Where you-
I'm from Myanmar.
You're from Vietnam.
No, Myanmar.
Oh, Myanmar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Mm. Just call me K.
Sorry?
K.
Okay,
English
okay.
letter. K.
Okay, okay. So how long time you have been here, okay?
Actually, I use this quite a long time, but I'm really used to this website.
Okay, so how long time you have been using this platform?
Maybe 3 or 4 months, I guess. Yeah.
3 or 4 months. So you are
Yeah.
yes, so you are consistent this application?
Yeah. Most of the people using this app, and I'm also made the people who is the same country with me. Yeah.
Okay. So you here to enhance your English.
Yeah, yeah. I just mainly focus on speaking.
Okay. Okay. So how is your English journey?
Mm, it's quite good. Yeah.
Okay, so when you are a beginner and you just want to learn.
Oh, actually, I'm an introvert, so I just learning with myself. Then I just joined the online class. That's it, and meet with my friends.
So you not learn English yourself.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm also like learning from the teacher and taking a class.
Okay. Actually, I'm learning English myself.
Oh, it's quite good.
Yeah. Actually, just someone looking me and just there laughing. So that reason I'm just also laughing.
Oh,
Yeah. If any beginner want to learn English, like what's he have to do?
maybe just they just really focus on their vocabs.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to say like I learned a lot of vocab, but I can't remember. I forgot
I'm
after
also,
one day or
I'm
2 days.
also,
So
I'm also,
yeah. So what should I
but
do?
actually, I learned the vocals from TikTok, and actually, I watch a lot of TikTok, and I using that application. So that's why I just like reading the comments, and sometimes I don't know the vocabs meanings, and I just searching on it. That's it. And then I remember. So